came across this smart money concept indicator in tradng.com, and as well, just like smart money concept by Lux Algo, it also comprises of tools that help us trade like smart money. So it shows the change of character, it shows the break of market structure, and that's why it shows the percentage spread, and that's why it shows the trough and the peak. Okay, so I will explain to you what is peak and what is trough as we proceed. So guys, I welcome you to Money Close FX Education YouTube channel. Maybe it's the first time you came across my channel. I really welcome you. Kindly join us by subscribing to this channel, clicking on that red button, rate and subscribe, and definitely you'll be part of this amazing family, because I believe and honestly I know this is where you belong. If you're already part of this family, I really salute you. So guys, I really want to show you this amazing indicator. It's called Smart Money Concept Indicator. It is a very free indicator found on tradingview.com, and the only thing you need is a TradingView account. Once you have a TradingView account, definitely let's add the indicator right now. So you're just going to click on Indicators tab right here. Once you click on Indicators tab under Technical, you're just going to type Smart Money Concepts. You're just going to click on this one, Smart Money Concept by Kainugu. Click on it. Once you click on it, definitely this is how it appears right on your chart. Okay, so guys, this is the indicator I'm really going to talk about, and as you can see right on my charts, we have something that is looking like a star, rather somebody can call it excess, and as well we have something close to diamonds, and we have lines over here. So everything you see on chart right here, they represent something, and basically this is all about making you understand about this indicator, because you only need to know the uses and the function of this indicator so that you can really understand it correctly. Okay, so guys, this is what I really meant. It's a smart money concept indicator, very different as you can see right here. So guys, let me first of all show you what all these features means. Okay, so we have the lines over here in red and the lines in blue color, and what you're supposed to know about the lines is that they represent the break of structure and change of character. And there is a confusion in forex industry about the BOS and the change of character, and the break of structure shows a continuation, okay, but change of character shows a potential reversal. Okay, so when you see the lines over here, you won't really struggle, simply because you really know what break of structure signifies and what change of character as well signifies. Okay, so guys, we have X's over here and we have this diamond over here. The X and diamond shapes represent the peak and trough, but what you can really understand, when you see these X's, they represent the peak, and when you see these diamonds over here, they represent the troughs. So let me define what is peak and what is trough for the sake of beginners in this channel. So guys, when you hear the word peak in forex trading, it is the highest price of each of the next 3 consecutive bars has to be equal or lower than the price of the peak bar. We are only concerned with the highest prices, regardless whether the price bars are bullish or bearish. Highest to previous bars has to be lower. As well, whenever you come across the name trough, it simply shows that the lowest price of each of the next 3 consecutive bars has to be equal or higher than the lower price of the trough bar. We are only concerned with the lowest prices, regardless where the price bars are bullish or bearish. Lowest for previous bar has to be higher. That's what the peak and trough really means in forex trading, and it's better you keep that in mind. I've done the definition simply because I really want beginners to really understand, or rather those people who don't really know about the peak and trough in forex trading. Now you really have the idea. Okay, I really want to focus on what is happening live market right here. You can see we have this X right here which shows the peak. Okay, and as you can see guys, when price came to this peak over here, it's being rejected and the market is really pushing to the downside. Another thing I've noted about this X's over here, it has not really repented, and it's so evident guys. You can really see what is happening here on live market. Okay, and as well, we have this diamond over here which represents a trough, and when this trough appeared, you can see the market is slightly being pushed to the upside. And as well, you can see right here where we have the trough, the market is really being pushed to the upside. It is being pushed to the upside, and it is being pushed to the upside. So this can really guide you when you have a market which is trending to the the downside, and see these diamonds over here, they can really alert you that a pullback is about to take place. But when you see the X's which represent the peaks over here, they will really make you know that you are at the right direction and you should continue looking for your selling opportunity. So let's talk about the lines over here called the breakout structure and the change of market structure. Remember, I told you about the breakout structure shows the continuation and change of character, shows the potential reversal. This is so easy to identify simply because the only thing you really need to see is where the price is really going to break to. Okay, so for instance, right here we had this breakout structure. Here we had the breakout structure, and you can see the market was really proceeding to the upside. But guys, there will come to a point where you will see the excess over here, and this excess over here shows you this is a peak, and you should look for a push to the downside. Look at what happened in the past. You can see we had breakout structure right here, and we had a retest. Okay, so this peak over here was really signifies a retest is about to take place, and you can see we had a retest and price really rose up to this point. When it got to this point over here, even without waiting for confirmation of breakout structure or change of character, you can look at what happened right here. There was too much rejection of higher prices, and the market really proceeded to the downside. So that's the easiest way you can use this indicator, even without even waiting for a change of character and breakout structure. And here you can see the market is really respecting the peak over here, and it is proceeding to the downside. But you will see it reacting to this zone over here simply because it shows the trough, and the trough remains valid, and you can see the market is really reacting to the diamonds over here. So if it happens to break the diamonds, you're going to target the next diamond over here to be your take profits. Okay, so this indicator tends to be very easy, honestly, to understand, simply because everything is very evident when you use it, as I have really shown you. Okay, so let's talk when the market is really rising to the upside. Okay, so when the market is really rising to the upside, you expect to see the diamonds on these key levels over here. When you see diamonds when the market is rising to the upside, it tells you look for your buying opportunity. But when you see the peaks over here, it tells you that the pullback is really about to take place. Okay, and the owner of this indicator also said that this smart money concept indicator will help you to really understand the market structure, the supply and demand, and as well the risk management, simply because you have tools that is really going to show you what is really about to happen. And guys, indeed you can see the market is really reacting to this diamond representation over here, which shows the troughs. Okay, so guys, according to you, what you understand about this indicator, do you think it's better than the Lux Algo smart money concepts? Okay, if you think so, just comment down below, and remember to test these indicators on live market, see what is happening on live market, like for instance right here, and you will be able to understand the indicator as well. Okay, so guys, let me hope you've learned something from this video. I wish you nothing but the best. Continue working hard, because I really know one day your hard work will pay you. Bye guys, see you in the next video.